Let's be honest, being average is a comfortable cage. In the modern world, most men aren't suffering from a lack of potential, but from a slow, creeping erosion of their presence. You aren't born invisible. You train the world to overlook you through 1,000 tiny concessions. Every time you slouch to fit in, every time you laugh at a joke that wasn't funny just to be nice, and every time you neglect the details of your presentation, you are broadcasting a signal of mediocrity. If you ever felt like a ghost in a crowded room, where your opinions are ignored and women seem to look through you rather than at you, you are leaking attraction. This isn't about your height or the balance in your bank account. It's about your frame. This guide is the blueprint to stop the leak. We're going to dismantle the 9 anchors holding you back and show you exactly how to initiate glow mode. 1. Posture, the architecture of your ego. Before a single word leaves your lips, your skeleton has already introduced you. Most men treat their posture as a back burner issue, but it is the most visceral broadcast of your internal hierarchy. When you walk with rounded shoulders and collapsed chest, you aren't just relaxing. You are biologically signaling that you're trying to protect your vitals from a superior threat. A man who occupies his full height feels safe, grounded, and dominant. It's a primal cue. To fix this, stop thinking about standing straight and start thinking about taking up your rightful space. Imagine a string pulling you toward the sky from the crown of your head. Open your chest. Let your shoulders drop back and down. When you walk, move with weight, as if you're wading through water. This creates an aura of importance that demands the room's attention before you even open your mouth. 2. The deception of clean enough. There's a massive difference between being clean and being refined. Most men settle for the former. They think as long as they don't smell and their hair isn't a bird's nest, they've done their job. But attraction lives in the final 10%. Lazy grooming, that fuzzy neckline, the unmanaged eyebrows, or skin that looks dull from a diet of processed trash, signals that you lack the discipline to care for your own temple. If you don't respect your own image enough to refine the details, why should a woman respect your presence? Shift your mindset from maintenance to intentionality. You shouldn't cut your hair because it's long. You should cut it to maintain the sharpest version of your silhouette. Focus on the high contrast areas, crisp facial hairlines, immaculate fingernails, and hydrated skin. When you look sharp, you feel dangerous. That mental shift is what people actually respond to. 3. The camouflage of safe fashion. The average man dresses to disappear. He chooses safe colors and baggy fits that mirror every other guy in the room. He wants to blend in because blending in is safe. But dressing safe is a slow death for your aura. Your clothes should be a frame for the masterpiece, not a disguise. Priority number 1 is fit. A $20 t-shirt that actually fits your shoulders and tapers at the waist will always look more expensive than a $500 designer hoodie that hangs like a sack. Adopt a signature aesthetic, whether it's rugged minimalism or sharp tailoring, and own it. And for the love of God, keep your shoes clean. Shoes are the first thing women look at to judge a man's attention to detail. If your shoes are a mess, she'll assume your life is. For facial tension, the dashboard of the soul, your face is constantly broadcasting your inner state. Most average men carry what I call needy facial tension. Their eyebrows are slightly raised in a permanent state of questioning. Their jaw is clenched from low-level anxiety. Their eyes dart around the room, seeking exit signs or a nod of approval. This makes you look reactive. And a reactive man can never be a dominant man. You need to master the neutral mask. Relax your forehead. Unstack your teeth. Breathe exclusively through your nose. This isn't just about looking cool. It actually slows your heart rate and tells your nervous system that you are the apex in the room. When you finally do smile, let it be a conscious choice, not a nervous reflex. A calm face in a chaotic room is the ultimate glow mode signal. 5. Stop the verbal leak. Average men are terrified of silence. They feel that if they aren't talking, they're losing. They justify their decisions, over-explain their jokes, and fill every pause with filler noise like or like. This is a massive leak of attraction because it shows you value the other person's comfort more than your own dignity. Confidence is the sibling of brevity. Practice the power pause. When someone asks you a question, wait 2 seconds before you answer. It shows you're a processor, not a projector. Use fewer words. Instead of saying, I went to that restaurant because I heard the steak was good and my brother said it was cool, just say, I wanted a good steak, period. Silence creates mystery, and mystery fuels attraction. 6. Apologetic body language. Watch how you sit in a chair. Are you crossing your arms? Are your feet pointed toward the door? Are you fidgeting with your phone? This is defensive, small behavior. It says, I'm sorry for taking up space. If you apologize for your physical presence, the world will treat you like an inconvenience. Instead, occupy your territory. Sit with an open frame. Keep your hands visible. It's an ancient signal that you aren't hiding a weapon or an insecurity. The most powerful thing you can do is practice stillness. The average man is always leaking energy, tapping his foot or adjusting his shirt. A high-value man is a statue. Stillness is intimidating to the weak and magnetic to the strong. 7. The gravity of direction. You can have the best suit and the sharpest haircut, but if your eyes have no fire, you will remain flat. Attraction is tied to momentum. If you look like you're just drifting through your weeks, waiting for the weekend to distract you from your reality, you have no gravity. You need a mission. It doesn't have to be a tech startup. It can be the mission of sculpting your body, mastering a craft, or providing for your family. When you talk about your life, speak in terms of objectives, not complaints. A man who knows exactly where he is going makes everyone else want to go with him. Direction is the ultimate aphrodisiac. 8. The validation junkie. This is the core psychological rot of the average man. He enters an interaction asking, do they like me? The glow mode man enters asking, do I like them? If you are constantly scanning for smiles, nods, and social likes, you are a beggar for attention. Practice presence. Instead of thinking about what to say next to impress someone, focus on the weight of your feet on the floor and the sound of the other person's voice. When you are fully present, you become heavy in the environment and stop being so damn agreeable. If you disagree with someone, say so calmly. Having a spine is a massive attraction trigger because it proves you aren't a yes man looking for a handout. 9. Selective availability. The black box. You might appear average because you're too accessible. You respond to text instantly, are always available for last-minute plans, and share every meal and workout online. Become a black box. Value your time over others' attention. Don't be reachable all the time. When you're less available, your presence becomes valuable. Be fully present when you show up, but when you're away, be completely absent. This creates curiosity about you. The choice to Polish. Feeling average is a choice you make daily. It stems from not standing out, not refining your details, and lacking purpose. Remember, you are a work in progress, not a finished product.